Hi there, I'm Rebecca and a really warm welcome back to my channel, created by Rebecca. In this week's video we are going to do a subscriber requested video and we're going to look at what happened when I wore my Polymer Clay Crown from the previous video to my Village Jubilee Fete. Let's get started. Here's the head of the parade. We have just left the school playground and we are working our way down the road to the high street. You can see that there's adults who have made crowns and also lots of little children with crowns as well. You can see there's a range of different types of crowns, materials, fabrics. Some of the ladies used wide lace bands to make coronets. We've got feather edges. We've got one that was made from newspaper collage and looked like a well-known punk band. We've got lots of children wearing paper crowns, some with jewels, some with stickers. Ones had lots of different photographs of the Queen throughout her reign, which had been laminated and stuck onto little pipe cleaners, I think, so they bounced around. People had lots of fun. And then here I am at the back of the parade. It was very funny when I arrived in the school playground. Lots of the little children gasped, "Oh, it's a queen! It's a queen!" And one little girl was trying to curtsy to me, but she was so excited she was just bouncing straight up in the air and kicking her legs. So I tried to join in and said what a beautiful gown my lady was wearing, and yeah, just make her feel really special. I've done my best to protect everybody's identity here, so apologies for all the little grey blobs. But again, you can see that there wasn't just me. I was not the only adult, but yeah, most of the crowns were cardboard construction, maybe with some fabric embellishments. Lots of faux jewels, stickers, colouring in. And then let's look at that group in a little bit more detail. There were 5 prizes. There was Best Pet, and I believe there was only one dog who'd come dressed up. Best Queen, Best King, Best Princess and Best Prince. The little girl with the pink crown could barely see. It was right down over her eyes. It was very funny, very adorable. There were lots of people wearing red, white and blue. Lots of people wearing purple. Purple is a royal colour. In fact, only the royal family were allowed to wear purple under a royal decree. And here I am in my crown and dress. We've arrived at the playing field where the awarding of the prizes is happening and the main events, the bands, etc. I did get some people ask me whether I had made my dress. I didn't make my dress. It is my wedding dress from 21 years ago. But although I designed it, it was actually made for me by a theatrical costumier who was able to bring my design into reality. But then they would get surprised when I said, "But I did make the crown." "You made the crown? Oh. And I would have to take it off and show them that I had made it. They didn't quite believe me, and I thought, well, it's a crown making competition, so yes, I made the crown. And then I was called forward and presented with the Best Queen award, which was really lovely. I was very proud of that moment. I even attempted a proper curtsy. Then I got stuck on my dress and it didn't quite work, but I did my best. And here I am with my best queen sticker. And here's my official prize. It is a Jubilee Weekend Celebration winner mug and a rosette. And the best bit, a bag of Haribo. How have I not eaten those yet? Right, that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to me here on YouTube. And until next time, bye!